Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you day 15 Little Whale location in Heartopia Call of Whales event. Okay, let's get into it guys. For day 15, we need to find this red splash whale. And I'm going to show you the location where you can find this whale. You're going to go to this area guys. The entrance of the jellyfish cave, and you'll find the red splash whale right here on the top of this pink coral. And don't forget to take a photo. Oops, it's not red splash whale but green peach splash whale. Sorry. And take a photo of it. And now it's time to find the bubble. Oh my gosh, just one little whale left and we will get the main reward. Okay, and finally I found the bubble. It's right here guys. For the bubble location, you can go to the top of the other side entrance from the whale fall and pop the bubble to claim your reward. Okay, I have already popped the bubble and I got the green peach splash whale. Okay guys, and that's the day 15 Little Whale location in Heartopia Call of Whales event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.